By combining an ESP32-CAM with an ultrasonic distance sensor, we can create a fully wireless automatic backup obstacle detector. This system includes a live video feed from the ESP32-CAM, a real-time distance readout from the sensor, and when paired with a passive buzzer, it provides audible feedback based on how close we are to an object within our line of sight. Because the ESP32 has built-in Wi-Fi, we can take this a step further by creating a web-based access point. This allows us to fine-tune the proximity sensor settings wirelessly and even adjust the beep frequency for fun. We can also control when the beeping starts and when it transitions into a solid tone, indicating that an object has moved too close to our sensor. This is also how we control the range of detection. And of course, we can use that same web interface to give us a live video feed from the ESP32 camera. Here we'll notice that by setting the detection range to start at 30 centimeters, the buzzer stays silent until we reach that distance right at the edge of the phone. For this project, we're going to need an ESP32 camera, which acts as our microcontroller. It streams the camera feed, processes the distance data, and controls the buzzer. We'll also need an ultrasonic distance sensor, and here I'm using the HC-SR4, since it has a relatively small blind zone of about 5 centimeters and a maximum detection range of around 4 meters. And for audio feedback, we'll want a buzzer. In this case, I'm using a small speaker salvaged from a motherboard. To tie everything together, I'm using a breadboard, mainly because the ESP32-CAM has a very limited I/O. Since all three components require 5 volts, I'm taking advantage of the 5-volt rail on the breadboard for power distribution. For my setup, I used pin 14 as my trigger pin, and I used pin 13 as my echo pin for my ultrasonic sensor. For the buzzer, the negative lead is connected to ground, and the positive lead is connected to pin 12, which controls the oscillation frequency, and therefore the tone of our buzzer. For the ESP32-CAM itself, it's powered by connecting 5 volts and the ground directly to the corresponding rails on the breadboard. Once powered up, the ESP32-CAM creates a Wi-Fi network that we can connect to. By navigating to the default gateway, we're presented with a web page showing the live video feed, distance measurements, and adjustable settings. By changing the beep start distance and the solid tone distance, we can precisely define the detection range we care about. And again, with a passive buzzer, we can play around with the tone. Putting our setup onto the back of some wheels, let's go ahead and give it a quick test. If I move it past 39 centimeters, which is the detection start distance, we'll notice that the buzzer goes silent, which is exactly what we wanted to do. And as we move it in, the beeps progressively pick up, meaning our setup is functioning as intended. To wrap things up, this project shows how we can combine wireless control, real-time sensing, and audible feedback into a single system. With just a few components, we were able to build a fully wireless obstacle detection setup that provides live video, adjustable distance alerts, and customizable audio feedback, all through a simple web interface. And with that said, thank you for watching.